I found it. And we're going to get the cool bang firework because Crazy Steve's wasn't open over there when we found the other geocache, but Shelton's is, because they're open all year. Hey, now we have found the cash prize. This is the ammo box store. On this one of these, look at these things. Look at a spy mobile. What does that do? And a croc rock. And sharp teeth. And then boats. And a piggy bank. Let's find something to blow up. Oh my gosh. It's everywhere. Look at these bottle rockets. Dang. We're going to shoot it off out here. Might blow the fireworks place up. We have to be how many feet away from it? Bam! We're going to shoot off our prize that we got for buying so much of our fireworks. This guy gave us these. It's a waterproof M80. That's not working. Run! Water! Whoa! Oh, that's why we got them for free. You ran away from it. Ah, it was so good. That one's gonna blow up. Put in a bottle. That was too funny. Oh. What do you want for free? That's fun. Wait a minute, wait. Okay, now for the vixen. Oh, that's cool. Bush Cassidy is a good guy. He's going in to retrieve our rocket.